Hello students, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video by QuickStudy. In this video, we will cover the topics of elements, compounds, and mixtures from the GCSE Chemistry syllabus. So let us begin. In chemistry, a pure substance consists of a single element or compound with no other substance. The composition of a pure substance cannot be changed and is the same in all parts of a piece of the substance. So what are elements? Elements are substances that can't be split into anything simpler by chemical means. For example, gold is an element. There are 118 different elements on the periodic table. The simplest particle of an element is an atom. So what are compounds? Compounds are formed when two or more elements chemically combine. The elements always combine in fixed proportions. For example, hydrogen and fluorine combine together to form hydrogen fluoride, HF, whereas magnesium and fluorine combine together to form magnesium fluoride, MgF2. Other examples include carbon dioxide, CO2, and methane, CH4. The smallest particle of a compound is a molecule. So, what is a mixture? A mixture consists of two or more elements or compounds that are physically mixed and together and are not chemically combined. A mixture is not a pure substance. The chemical properties of substances in a mixture remains unchanged. A mixture does not have a fixed composition, and the substances in a mixture can be separated by physical means. To make mixtures, no energy changes take place, whereas to make compounds, energy changes do take place. An example of a mixture is the air around us, which is a mixture of different gases such as carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. So, how do we distinguish between pure and impure substances? Well, pure substances have boiling and melting temperatures at specific and fixed temperatures. For example, pure water melts at exactly 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, impure substances or mixtures melt and boil at a range of temperatures because the substances tend to lower the melting and boiling point range. The presence of impurities also lower the melting point and raise the boiling point of the substance. For example, when we dissolve 10 grams of common table salt, which is sodium chloride, in 1 liter of water, the boiling, melting or freezing point of water decreases to about minus 0.6 degrees Celsius, while the boiling point increases to about 100.2 degrees Celsius. Therefore, melting and boiling points can be used to distinguish whether the substance is pure or impure. The influence of impurities can be seen more clearly on a heating or cooling curve. If the temperature of a liquid is recorded as it cools or freezes, the data can be recorded to produce a graph. The following graph shows the cooling curve for a sample of a compound. The horizontal part of the graph shows that the compound has a sharp melting point, and so the compound is pure. An impure sample of the compound would produce a gradual decrease in temperature as it freezes, as shown in this graph below. With this, we have reached towards the end of this video. So let us do a quick recap of what we learned so far. We learned what are elements and compounds, and we also learned what mixtures are, which are impure substances. We also learned how to distinguish between pure and impure substances using their melting and boiling points. Finally, we also learned about cooling or freezing curves, which help us determine more accurately whether a substance is impure or pure. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel as we post regularly on different subjects and topics covering the GCSE syllabus to help you ace your exams. For more information on our one-on-one online tutoring services, do visit our website www.quickstudy.uk. Thank you.